Welcome back to Love What You Drive. In today's video, the toolbox is not out. Now this will be a simple and quick unboxing video. This is two sets of lights that I have purchased and that I wanted to review, put into my car, and give my opinion or give my thoughts on which one I think is better, which one I think is worse. Now this is the start of something I'm planning to do in the future. Test different products, test different gadgets for the car, whether that's a Panther platform or other vehicles. But today we will just unbox these two items and I will go through a simple informational reading of the products, information list on their Amazon website, and after that there'll be a video of how to install and my thoughts on what this product is, what I think about it after I test it, use it, and such things. So we'll go ahead and start with this first white package right here. Okay, here it is. This is Torchbeam LED lighting, still wrapped. I like the packaging. Now here it says H13/9008 Torch LED lighting. Let me just take it out of the package. Now I'm going to read the information that they have as advertised on their Amazon website. So this is a Torchbeam T2 H13/9000 LED bulb kit, 16,000 lumens, 65K, super bright replacement bulb. It's 400% brightness, canvas ready, plug and play with fan, 50,000 hours lifespan, pack of 2. Now the price of this was $40.99, but with the deal, there's a coupon that you can apply at the moment on Amazon that gives you $6.15 off. So the price with deal is $34.84 on Prime, and it's same day shipping. I literally ordered these yesterday, which is a Saturday, and on Sunday these arrived. So let me just open it up and we'll see what's in the box. I really enjoy these packages because they're made solid. You can hear it's nice and solid, made in China, of course. We'll put this here. Okay, in this box we got gloves. Wow, I've never seen this before. It's kind of cool. Got a pair of gloves, probably for the bulbs and such. Now we got this little baggie. Let's see what's in here. Zip ties, baby zip ties. We'll put those here. Then we've got the instruction manual for the LED lighting. Okay, so this is a whole booklet. Pretty detailed. I guess this is all their lineup of how to install. This is the 9004/9007. They even have a YouTube link here. Installation of the H4 kit. Okay, so this is just install of everything that they produce. Okay, we'll put this aside. Oh, and then in this baggie there's also double-sided foam tape. I'm not sure what that's for. Okay, here's the lights. This is actually a very cool color. Cool red. Let's pop one out. Okay. Nice packaging, foam, solid. Put that aside. Okay, this will be actually my first time installing these kind of lights on a car. I was always very skeptical, but this feels solid. I've yet to check another one to make a comparison, but there's a fan, as you can see. Like I said, this is my first interaction with one of these lights. I've went online, I've went on Mercury Crown Victoria Facebook page to just ask for advice on getting some LED affordable lights, and at the price point of $34.84, so pretty much 35 bucks, just by the feel of it in my hands, it feels solid. Now, if many of you probably have played with these and put them in your car and probably some burnt out, but this will be my first rodeo. So H13, and it's got this this connector, this fan. Now there's two of them. Very cool. In the next video, I will be installing them, giving you my opinion, giving you what they look like. If you've already run into these Torchtech lights, then I just ask you may comment what you think. Was it a yay or nay? Was it a plus or a minus? Did you like them? Did you not? Did they last? What was the timing of it? How long did it last? Is it 50,000 hours of lifespan or not? Why I picked these compared to the other ones that I'm going to show you right now was on Amazon. They have 5,735 reviews. So that is pretty good number compared to some of the ones that are on there with only a few hundred or even a couple of thousand. So we'll be testing these out in the next video, and I'll be comparing them to the other set that I got and putting them up for all of us to see and to enjoy. H13 is for my 2006 Mercury Grand Marquis. That is all the work that is going into it on the channel. It's maintenance, it's sway bar, brakes, now it's going to be lights. There's a video coming out with AC repair and all kinds of things, so stay tuned. If you're a Panther platform user or lover, we will get into just doing maintenance, finding things out, fixing things, and moving forward with that car. So this is this set. I'm gonna put these back, and then we'll get into the other pair of lights.